Go to the Chrome Web Store and download the Fireshot add-on extension. Fireshot is a great tool to take screenshot of web pages. Once you've downloaded it, you'll find this extension located at the top right-hand corner. Okay, so here I am on Google Maps. I'm going to take a screenshot of this entire page. To do that, I'm just going to go ahead and click on that icon and select Capture Entire Page. As you saw, it just took 1 second and it directed me to a new page, and there's a number of different options available. There's save as image, save as PDF, email, copy to clipboard, print, and of course, there's some paid options available down here. I'm going to go ahead and share with you how to take a screenshot of a certain selection. I just press that icon, press capture selection, and I'm going to take a screenshot of just the country of Mexico. And you're going to notice that I'm directed to a new web page with the same options on the right. Another great tool is there's a keyboard shortcut, Control, Shift, and Y. Okay, remember that. And if you forget, it's located at the top right-hand corner. So Control, Shift, and Y. And I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot of Iceland right here. And there you have it. I hope you found this video useful.